Okay, today I will start my first Beyblade X tournament. And this time I will start from BX01, BX02, BX03, BX04. And then on the other side is UX01, UX02, UX03, and UX04. So the concept is this BX1 and 2 go there. So we will wait for who is the champion on BX1 to 4, and then who is the champion in UX1 to 04. So then who will be the main champion. So we just take a look. I will focus. So I put the cardboard, I cut it. So this is Dragon Sword, Hellside, Wizard Arrow, Knight Shield, and then on the UX01 side is Dragon Buster, Hellhammer, UX03 Wizard Road, and UX04 Dragon Buster. So sorry for the label of Dragon Buster because I don't have any card to cut because it is a full box. So on the next video I will do some battle Ultimate Beyblade X battle, and I will post the results one by one. Okay.